Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR's digital classes. In this video, we are going to see the introduction of our topic blood relation. So let us start. So basically this blood relations is divided into three major categories. First of all, first category is direct blood relation. So in direct blood relation, there are your brother and your sister. So your brother and your sister both are of your generation. So they are kept beside you. So whenever we are changing the generation, whenever we are going in the above generation or upper generation, we are getting our father and mother. And above that generation or upper that generation is our grandfather and grandmother. So first of all you, then your brother, then your sister, then your mother or father, or then above them are grandfather and grandmother. So below you, you will be getting your child. So your child may be a son or a daughter. Next, coming to the next relation, which is indirect blood relation. So whenever your mother and your father has one brother or sister, so let us assume your father has a brother and sister. Your father has a brother and sister. So what do you call them? So whenever you have a father and that father has a brother, you call him as uncle. And in the same way, whenever your father has a sister, you call her as aunt. So this relation is from your father's side, so it is called as paternal relation. So they are called as paternal uncle and paternal aunt. In the same way, whenever your mother has a brother or sister, they are called as maternal uncle and maternal aunt. When your uncle or aunt has a son or daughter, when your uncle or aunt has a son or daughter, they are called as cousins. So they are cousins to you. So they become cousins to you. So this is indirect relations. Now coming to the next relation, which is in-laws. So in-laws is a relation which is gained after a marriage. So after marriage we are getting this in-laws relation. Now coming to this, so you are here, so you are married to a person. So the person may be a male or a female, so man or a woman. So let us assume I am a man, then I am married to a woman. So whenever my wife's father and mother, are father-in-law and mother-in-law to me. So they are father-in-law. They are called as father-in-law and mother-in-law to me. In the same way, I have a brother. That brother is married to a lady. So that lady is called as sister-in-law. In the same way, I have a sister. That sister is married to a person. So third person is called as brother-in-law. So these are the in-laws relationship. And whenever my sister has a child which is either male or female, so whenever my sister has a child which is a male, so my sister's child is a male, so he is called as nephew. When my sister has a daughter, she is called as niece. Now coming to this, my brother. So if my brother has a son, he is called as nephew. When my brother has a daughter, she is called as niece. So these are the in-laws relationship and niece and nephew relationship. Now coming to the representation side. So in our blood relations, male persons are represented as plus mark. So whenever a male, we have to represent him with a plus. Then whenever we are getting a female, then we have to represent them as a minus. So this is generally speaking, we can change it if we want or not. So now coming to the next point, which is direct blood relation, same generation. Whenever we are in a same generation, then we have to draw a horizontal line. Whenever we are in same generation, then we have to draw a horizontal line. And whenever we are changing the generation, then we have to draw a vertical line. So these are the introductions of blood relations. And one more point is to be left out here. So which is whenever a person is married to someone, then we have to represent them with a double-sided arrow. So we have to represent the marriage with double-sided arrow. So these are the introductions of these blood relations. So our first question, before going into the question, there are some instructions given to us. What are these instructions? So if I see a value like a minus b, so if I see a symbol a minus b, then I have to consider it as a is the daughter of b. So minus represents daughter. So minus represents what? Daughter. In the same way, A plus B. A plus B. A plus B means A is the wife of B, and A divided by B. A divided by B is A is the father of B, and A multiplied by B. So this represents A is the son of B. Now coming to the first question. So the first question says P multiplied by R minus S. So first of all, multiplication represents son. So son. Next, minus represents what? Minus represents daughter. So this is daughter. So let us read this in our way. So P is the son of R. So P is the son of R. P is the son of R, and R is the daughter of S. So R is daughter of S. P is the son of R and R is the daughter of S. Now what I have to find? I have to find the relation of relation of P with respect to S. I have to find the relation of P with respect to S. Let us see. So this is S. S daughter is R. Okay. S daughter is R. R's son is P. So I can say that daughter's son. So S daughter's son is P. So this person's become, the person P becomes grandson of S. So P is the grandson of S. So our answer is grandson. Now coming to the next question. So in which of these following means S is the son-in-law of P? So we have to find the correct option which says that S is the son-in-law of P. Now let us solve this one by one. So let us take the first option. The first option says that P plus R multiplied by S. So plus represents wife. So P is the wife of R. Then multiplication represents son. So R is the son of S. So P is the wife of R. So if P is wife, then R will be husband. So if P is wife, then R will become husband, and R is the son of S. So the person S will be here. So the person S will be above R. Okay. Now, if in our first option, are we getting S as the son-in-law of P? So S is the son-in-law of P in our first option? No. Here S in our first option, S may be father-in-law or mother-in-law. So we are not getting son-in-law. So our first option is ruled out. Now coming to the second option. The second option says P divided by R. Divided by means father. Next, R multiply. R is the son of S. So P is father of R. P is father of R, and R is the son of S. If P is father of R and R is son of S, so P is father of R and R is son of S, then I can say that R is the father of P, P is the father of R, and S is the mother of R, because R is son for both of them. So they are both married. Okay. Now in our second option, am I getting S as the son-in-law of P? No. Here S is the husband of P. In our second option, we are getting relation as husband. So our answer second option is also ruled out. Now let us check the final option, which is the third option. Let us see. So first of all, P plus R. The plus represents what? Plus represents wife. Plus represents wife, and division represents father. Division represents father. So let us see. P is the wife of R. P is wife of R. So I can say that P and R are married, and R is the father of S. So R is who? R is the father of S. So in this third option, am I getting S as the son-in-law of P? No, I am not getting S as son-in-law of P, because in third option S will become son of P. S is the son of P. Now we have checked all of the three options, but we did not attain or achieve the son-in-law. So our answer is none of these, because all these three options are not giving me the son-in-law answer. So our answer is none of these. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which says P minus Q plus R. Minus means daughter. Then plus means what? Plus is wife. Plus means wife. So P is the daughter of Q. P is the daughter of Q and Q is the wife of S. So if Q is wife of S, then S will be a husband and they both will be married. So Q, yes. Now what should I have to find? I have to find the relation of S with respect to P. So P's mother is Q and P's father is S. So the answer is father, because S will become S is the father of P. So S is the father of P. So our answer is father, which is option 2. Now coming to the next question. So how is P related to S? In the expression P into Q divided by S. So multiplication represents what? Multiplication represents son. Then division represents what? Division represents father. Okay. So P is son of Q. P is the son of Q and Q is the father of S. So P is the son of Q and Q is the father of S. Q is the father of S. So Q is the father of P and Q is also the father of S. So then I can say that P and S are both blood related. P and S are both blood related, but we do not know the gender of S because in our question he has not revealed the gender of S. So S may be a male or a female. So let us see what this question says. How is P related to S? We have to tell the relation of P with respect to S. So with respect to S, P will become what? P is the brother of S. So our answer is brother, which is option 1. Okay. So these are all the questions from our blood relations. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day.